In order to maintain control of chemical-related hazards, employers must know what they're dealing with. OSHA provides a list of hazardous chemicals that fall under PSM regulations. All employers covered under PSM must develop written information on any process that uses one of these designated chemicals. Compiling this information helps employers and employees involved in the process identify and understand the dangers. This preparation step paves the way for other PSM requirements that you'll learn about later in this course. Documentation, which must be developed for every relevant process, must include information on the dangers posed by the chemicals used or produced by the process, the technology of the process, and the equipment in the process. The idea is to gather all the information needed to get a full picture of the process. Think of it as a process profile that can be used as a reference. OSHA requires the following information on the chemicals: toxicity, permissible exposure limits, physical, reactivity and corrosive data, thermal and chemical stability, and hazardous effects of inadvertent mixing of different materials. Information on the technology of the process must include a block flow diagram or simplified process flow diagram, process chemistry, maximum intended inventory, safe upper and lower limits for temperatures, pressures, flows or compositions, and an evaluation of the consequences of deviations, including those affecting the safety and health of employees. OSHA provides options when this information is no longer available. Information on the equipment used must include materials of construction, piping and instrument diagrams, P&IDs, electrical classification, relief system design and design basis, ventilation system design, design codes and standards employed, material and energy balances for processes built after May 26, 1992, and safety systems, for example, interlocks, detection, or suppression systems. Your employer must document that equipment conforms with recognized good engineering practices. OSHA provides alternative methods to accomplish this when equipment was designed according to earlier practices and requirements. If your head's reeling right now, relax. As long as you haven't been breathing hazardous toxins, you're gonna be fine. To be honest, this information should already be compiled, unless you're working in a new factory or there's been a change in a chemical or process. And even then, someone with expertise in this area should be working on this task. So take a deep breath and enjoy that non-toxic air. Clear your head so you can focus on the next PSM requirement, process hazard analysis.